My name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. Today we are going to make Cannabis Brookies. What is a brookie, you ask? Well, it is a combination of a chocolate chip cookie and a brownie. So if you can't decide which one is your favorite, now you don't have to. To start, we are going to make our brownie batter. First, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Whisk it together and set aside. In a larger bowl, beat together your regular butter and cannabis butter and both of your sugars until it is nice and creamy. Then add in your eggs and vanilla extract. Beat that together until it is well combined and then add in your dry mixture. You are going to have a really nice thick brownie batter. Finally, add in your chocolate chips and fold them in by hand. I've already prepared an 8x8 pan by spraying it with nonstick spray and lining it with parchment paper. So then add your brownie batter in large spoonfuls. I like my brookies to have a marbled look in the end, so I'm going to leave spaces in between my brownie batter, but you could also spread your brownie batter into an even layer on the bottom and then have your cookie dough layer evenly on the top. So now we have to make our chocolate chip cookie layer. First, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Whisk it together and set aside. Then in a larger mixing bowl, beat together your cannabis butter and regular butter and both of your sugars until it is light and fluffy. Then add in your egg and vanilla extract. Beat it together until it's well combined and then add in your dry ingredients. Finally, add in your chocolate chips and fold them in by hand. Now add your cookie dough layer either on top of your brownie batter layer or fill in the missing holes with large spoonfuls of your cookie dough batter. For an even more marbled look, you can take your rubber spatula or a butter knife and drag it gently through the dough in an S pattern. Now bake your brookies at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. I personally like mine to be a little bit underdone because I love that fudgy center, but technically you're supposed to cook it all the way through. Here is my finished cannabis brookie. I've got a good mixture of brownie and chocolate chip. You can kind of see the marbling on top. There's a little brownie peeking through, and oh, they smell so chocolatey and yummy. And I love how nice and thick these are. This is a nice helping of a brookie bar. I have also added cannabis butter in the brownie batter and in the chocolate chip cookie dough, so that way you don't have to worry about if one of your bars has more brownie and less cookie if the dosage is going to be uneven. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That bite was loaded with chocolate chips and so rich and so fudgy and chocolatey. But because there's also chocolate chip cookie dough, the chocolate is not overpowering. It is the perfect combination. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to pitch in and donate a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, you can go over to my new Patreon page and support these videos. There's a link below in the description section. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.